Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome cake. It's super delicious and really easy to make. I hope you enjoy this recipe and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you need some butter and then add 100 grams of sugar. Then mix it. After, add some lemon zest. Then a couple of teaspoons of lemon juice and add the lemon zest and mix it again. Add some cheese in a bowl. Then add 100 grams of sugar and 10 grams of vanilla. After separating yolks from the whites, in the egg, add the yolks and mix it till you have this consistency. After, combine the two mixtures and mix it again. In another bowl, add the dry ingredients. 80 grams of manka, then add 3 of starch and 10 grams of cooking powder and mix it. Then add into the mixture and mix it again. Then beat the egg whites till you have this consistency, about 5 minutes. And then add into the mixture and mix. After that, you can use some butter and manka into the form that you're using for the cake. And then add the mixture. And spread it with a spoon or a spatula. Then add it into the oven in 180 degrees for about 50 minutes. After, when it's all done, you can let cool down and then you can take it out with a knife. After that, you can add some sugar glass on top or powdered sugar. Then you can cut and serve it. It's so delicious and really easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.